Assalamualaikum students, my name is Kinza Shokat. I'm lecturer of English at Kent Public High School and Boys College, Wahdat Colony, Texla. Students, today we will cover first year at Harrow by Sir Winston S. Churchill. Introduction of author is Sir Winston Churchill was a famous English statesman and was Prime Minister of England from 1940 to 1945 and again from 1951 to 1955. He wrote a number of books including M.A. History of the English-speaking Peoples in 4 volumes. He is considered a great prose writer of his century. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1953. In first year at Harrow, he relates his experiences at the famous public school Harrow. Churchill never liked examinations. Examinations were a great trial to him. Key points of the unit are: in this essay, the writer has explained the place of examinations in the life of a student and the choice of the right subject. He tells that he never liked examinations because he could not perform well in the examinations. He tells that examiners asked the questions he could not produce a satisfactory answer for. In the entrance examination at Harrow, the author got 0 marks in Latin paper. He just wrote his name and returned the empty answer sheet back. The headmaster, Mr. Weldon, however, let him be admitted at Harrow. It was both surprising and pleasant for the author. The writer narrates that he was only 2 from the bottom of the merit list of admissions, while clever boys went for Latin and Greek because in that time these subjects were most important. He was taught English because of his apparent inability to seek Latin and Greek. The author worked hard and got good grades in English. His English teacher, Mr. Somerville, taught him English thoroughly in an effective way. He surpassed all grammar rules and English prose. He had a long-term advantage over the clever boys. They had to improve their English later when they were in their jobs. The author is not sad for having not learned Latin and Greek. He says that he would whip those boys for not knowing English. Thank you.